Is being late acceptable in your culture? In my country, being late is not really acceptable. People think it is rude to come late, especially for school or work. Sometimes it's okay if there's bad traffic or rain. I always try to be on time because it shows respect. I feel sorry when I am late for something.
Is being late acceptable in your country?
No, it's not really acceptable.
How do people feel when someone is late?
They think it is rude.
When is it okay to be late?
When there is bad traffic or rain,
What do you try to do?
I try to be on time.
Why do you try to be on time?
Because it shows respect.
How do you feel when you are late?
I feel sorry.
When is being late especially bad?
For school or work.